Okay. Now, first of all, write down date 2020 dot 5. 5 is for May, and May is the 5th month of the year. 5 dot 2020, 20th May 2020. And now write down CW classwork. CW classwork. We'll be doing today E. E. And E sounds like E. E. And E can also be written like this. This is the E that you have already done in nursery. E, that is capital E. Capital E. And this is E in the print form. E. E sounds like E. And E for egg. Egg. E for ear. कान होता है ना? Where is your ear? Touch your ears. Ear. And E for eyes. Okay. Blink your eyes, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. And now we know that E, this is capital E that you did in nursery. This also you did in nursery. E. And this is E, say egg. E is egg. E for ear. E for eyes. Now we have to learn how to write E when you are in LKG. So we will be writing cursive small e. This is the way we have to write it. I'll show you. First of all, a slanting line, and just move your hand back to make a C. Isn't it simple? It's very easy, I'll say. And then the next E is slanting line, and move your hands back to make a C. And that makes a E. E. That makes a E. Then again, a slanting line, and move your fingers back, move your pencil back to make a K, and it becomes E. It becomes E. E for egg. Now, number 2. We have written 4 E's like this. Now, number 2 again. A slanting line, and move your pencil back to make a K, like you make a K, and it becomes an E. Again, a slanting line, move your fingers back to make a half circle like this. Again, a slanting line, and like this, and it becomes E. Very simple. मैम के साथ साथ चलो everybody मैम के साथ. Ready? A slanting line, move your pencil back to make, जैसे आप C बनाते हो वैसे. टक. Alright, this is E. Again, मैम के साथ साथ चलेंगे. A slanting line, move back and make a half circle like this. E. Again, a slanting line, move your hand back to make E like this. Very easy. और मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि आप मैम से पहले ही ना कर लो कहीं. मैम इतना स्लो कर रहे हैं और गंदा भी कर रहे हैं. आप अच्छा करना है आपने. Slanting line, and like this. A slanting line, and like this. Again, slanting line, move your pencil back and like this. A slanting line, and like this. A a slanting line and like this. A slanting line and like this. A slanting line and like this. Very easy. Slanting line and like this. Slanting line. Move your finger back and like this. Slanting line and like this. E for egg. E for ear. E for eyes. All right. एक और बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ मुझे अभी पता चली, वो ये कि ए से हमारे 2 सेंस ऑर्गन्स हैं. सेंस ऑर्गन्स हमने किए ना, ईयर्स हमने सेंस ऑर्गन्स ईवीएस में किया ना, ईयर्स टू हियर एंड आईज टू सी, और ये दोनों ई से ही स्टार्ट होते हैं, एस. Okay, now that you have all done your work very nicely, I'm going to give you all a very big shining star. क्योंकि आपने सबने अपना काम बहुत अच्छे से किया है, इतना अच्छे से किया आप लोगों ने, मैं आप सबको एक स्टार देने वाली हूँ. Okay, LKG Amethyst gets a big shining star. LKG Amethyst को क्या मिला आज? बिग शाइनिंग स्टार. ये वाली जो है उसकी ग्लो जो है, शाइन. दिस इज फॉर LKG Sapphire. दिस इज फॉर LKG Amber. दिस इज फॉर LKG Amethyst. दिस इज फॉर LKG Jade. एंड these 2 shines are for LKG Coral. Clap for everybody. Bye bye. Have a nice day.